We're uncovering the shocking connection between sleep and your mental health. From insomnia in anxiety disorders to hypersomnia in depression, the connection is undeniable. Now, what happens when you're sleep deficient for a longer period? Some people find themselves saying or doing things they regret later. It's a vicious cycle that needs to be broken for better mental health. Plus, I'll share 2 sleep hacks designed to make you fall asleep fast. Hello again and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Dr. Hanz MD, where we 10x your success by optimizing your health. Do you often feel moody, anxious, or cranky? Millions of Americans are struggling too. We're uncovering the shocking connection between sleep and your mental health. Plus, I'll share 2 sleep hacks designed to make you fall asleep fast. We are now living in a sleep-deprived society. With jam-packed schedules and endless distractions, getting enough quality sleep has become a luxury to many. Chronic sleeplessness can wreak havoc on your mental health. The relationship between sleep and some mental health disorders is bidirectional, meaning sleep deprivation can contribute to mental health issues and vice versa. From insomnia in anxiety disorders to hypersomnia in depression, the connection is undeniable. Improving your sleep isn't just about feeling less tired during the day. It's about boosting your overall mental well-being. In reality, quality sleep can help regulate your emotions, improve your mood, and even enhance your cognitive functions. Right off the bat, let me share one of 2 tools that can help you fall asleep in no time. This first one is called the 478 breathing exercise. This relaxation technique aims to reduce anxiety and lower heart rate. It's a form of breath regulation. You can follow along with these steps. Lie on your bed, relax, and close your eyes. Breathe in slowly through your nose for a count of 4. Hold your breath for a count of 7. And then exhale completely through your mouth for a count of 8. You can repeat this cycle as many times as needed. Use this technique to calm down and lower your heart rate right before bedtime or when you wake up in the middle of the night. Stay tuned because I have another hack to teach you in just a bit. Now let's talk about how sleep impacts your emotions. Your brain has a part that is responsible for processing emotions, and this is called the amygdala. When we're sleep deprived, minor annoyances can feel like major problems. Every time you don't get a good night's sleep, this part of your brain overreacts to just about anything, and it can quickly make you very irritable. Moreover, when you're not well rested, the connection between the amygdala and another part of your brain that helps you calm down and think clearly, called the medial frontal cortex, is disrupted. This connection can make us more impulsive. This is why some people find themselves saying or doing things they regret later as a result of being tired from lack of sleep. Now, what happens when you're sleep deficient for longer periods? Let's differentiate emotions and moods or anxiety. Emotions are short-term reactions to specific events, whereas mood and anxiety are long-term states. The relationship between sleep quality and anxiety is also bidirectional. That means it's like a two-way street. If you don't sleep well, you might feel more anxious, and if you're really worried, it's harder to fall asleep. It's a vicious cycle that needs to be broken for better mental health. Deep sleep helps reduce anxiety by promoting sympathetic activity, which is responsible for calming our bodies down and making us feel less anxious. You get most of your deep sleep right at the beginning of the night. in the first hour or two of sleep. If you can fall asleep faster, you're more likely to get a restful sleep. So, are you ready to learn one more strategy designed to put you to sleep in record time? This one is called progressive relaxation, or the 2-minute military sleep method. It's said to have been created for fighter pilots to get crucial rest even in the most stressful situations. You can follow these steps with me. Lie on your bed, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Tense and relax each muscle group, starting from your face. Work your way down your body, tensing and relaxing your shoulders, arms, chest, stomach, legs, and feet. Focus on breathing, inhaling, and exhaling slowly. Now, picture yourself in a canoe, floating on a calm lake with a clear blue sky. Or you can imagine yourself snuggled in a velvet hammock in a quiet, pitch-dark room. If your mind wanders, repeat these words, "Don't think," in your head. This technique definitely takes practice. Try to do it every night for best results. And consistency is key to mastering this technique. Now let's take a look into how sleep affects our emotional memories. Emotions play a very important role in marking memories as important. During REM sleep, a process often referred to as overnight therapy occurs. This process separates your memories from the strong feelings you have about them, making it easier to recall factual content without relieving the emotional intensity. This process is essential for reducing the emotional load attached to certain memories, making it easier for us to move on from past events. It is particularly important for people dealing with past traumatic memories, or a condition we call post-traumatic stress disorder, or PTSD. By this mechanism, individuals can work through their unpleasant experiences without being overwhelmed. REM stands for rapid eye movement. It's a special stage of sleep when your brain is active, almost like when you're awake. That's why most of your dreaming happens during REM sleep. Aside from processing memories, it helps you learn new things and feel refreshed when you wake up. So, what other things can you do to improve your sleep? Here are some easy, actionable steps. Optimize REM sleep by going to bed and waking up at consistent times every day. Minimize alcohol use as it can disrupt REM sleep. Enhance deep non-REM sleep by engaging in regular exercise, but avoid vigorous activity close to bedtime. In addition, sleeping in cooler rooms tend to promote a better deep non-REM sleep. In another episode, I'll speak about core practices, sleep remedies, and another amazing breathing technique that can vastly improve your sleep quality. If you haven't already, please watch that other video too. By implementing some or a combination of these tips, you can harness the therapeutic power of quality sleep to feel calmer and emotionally restored. Restful sleep indeed is essential for your mental and physical health. And again, please share this video with friends and family who might benefit from these tips. And if you have any sleep advice of your own, drop them in the comment section below. And more importantly, let's help each other sleep better. Join us again on another episode of Dr. Hanz MD, where we 10x your success by optimizing your health. Cut. Chronic sleeplessness can wreak havoc on your mental health. Right off the bat, let me share one of two tools that can help you fall asleep in no time. Saying or doing things they regret later they regret later as a result of being tired from lack of sleep. They regret later as a result of being tired from lack of sleep. Narinig yung mayabag.